In this episode, I will show you the best portable AC units for bedroom.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Dreo 318S Portable AC Unit. The Dreo stands as a testament to the marriage of high-end aesthetics and whisper-quiet engineering. Designed specifically for those who are sensitive to noise during the night, this unit utilizes a specialized noise isolation system that allows it to operate at levels as low as 45 decibels. Its ice-cool system is remarkably efficient, capable of dropping the ambient temperature of a master bedroom in a matter of minutes. Beyond its physical performance, the integration of smart controls allows for a seamless user experience, enabling you to adjust the temperature or set a sleep curve via a smartphone before you even step into the room. The real drainage-free design is a particular highlight, as it uses an advanced evaporation method to handle moisture, ensuring that your rest is never interrupted by the need to empty a water tank. On number 2, we have Shinco 8000 BTU Portable. AC unit efficiency meets versatile climate control with this Shinco model, a unit that excels in smaller to medium-sized bedrooms. This machine is built for the pragmatic user who values a 3-in-1 approach, functioning as a powerful air conditioner, a high-capacity dehumidifier, and a 2-speed fan. Designed to cool small to medium-sized rooms up to 200 square feet, this portable air conditioner helps create a comfortable and refreshing environment even during hot summer weather. The adjustable temperature range from 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit lets you personalize the cooling level to suit your comfort. Its compact design and built-in caster wheels make it easy to move from one room to another whenever needed. The unit also features a clear LED display and a remote control with a range of up to 23 feet, allowing you to adjust settings conveniently from across the room. For added comfort, the adjustable air outlet grille lets you direct airflow exactly where you want it. On number 3, we have Garvee 8000 BTU Portable AC Unit. The Garvee unit is a robust solution for those who prioritize rapid cooling and ease of maintenance. This portable air conditioner features cool, dehumidifier, and fan modes to keep your space comfortable in different weather conditions. Stay cool during hot summer days with adjustable temperatures from 61 degrees Fahrenheit to 88 degrees Fahrenheit, or switch to fan and dehumidifier modes for better air circulation and moisture control on milder days. Designed for everyday comfort, it includes a sleep mode, 2 adjustable fan speeds, and a 1-to 24-hour timer. With quiet operation below 50 decibels, it helps maintain a peaceful environment while you sleep, relax, or work. The unit comes with an exhaust hose and an adjustable window kit that fits windows from 15.47 to 47.24 inches, allowing for quick and simple installation without professional help. For smaller windows, minor trimming may be required. So these are some of the best AC units to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.